In the realm of technology, business, and space exploration, one name echoes louder than others: Elon Musk. His endeavors have sparked speculation and intrigue. Some believe he's an alien sent to revolutionize our world, while others claim he's a sophisticated artificial intelligence in human form. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the enigma that is Elon Musk. Before we delve into the speculation and conspiracy theories, let's start at the beginning. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. His childhood was marked by an insatiable curiosity and an early fascination with technology. Elon Musk's scientific mindset is characterized by an unwavering commitment to innovation and exploration. Known for founding companies like SpaceX, Tesla, and Neuralink, Musk consistently demonstrates a deep appreciation for scientific principles and a relentless pursuit of technological advancements. His approach involves challenging conventional thinking, embracing risk, and pushing the boundaries of what is deemed possible. Musk's focus on solving humanity's grand challenges, from space exploration to sustainable energy, reflects a visionary and pragmatic scientific mindset that has redefined industries and inspired a new generation of thinkers and doers. Elon Musk's learning techniques are characterized by a relentless pursuit of knowledge and an unconventional approach to education. Musk emphasizes the hands-on, experiential learning process, often immersing himself deeply in subjects of interest. Known for his voracious reading habits and the ability to synthesize information across diverse fields, Musk values practical application over traditional educational paths. He believes in learning by doing, fostering a mindset that embraces challenges and iteratively refines understanding through continuous experimentation, an approach that has contributed to his success in various groundbreaking ventures. Elon Musk's physics-based thinking is a cornerstone of his worldview. He advises understanding and predicting the future through a physics framework. We delve into Musk's childhood fears, comparing them to his current approach to deciphering complex challenges. Elon Musk possesses unique views on education, advocating for a departure from traditional methods. He envisions a dynamic, hands-on approach, emphasizing problem-solving and critical thinking over rote memorization. Musk founded Ad Astra, a secretive school for his children, aiming to foster creativity and innovation. He believes in practical, real-world skills and challenges the conventional education system to adapt to the rapidly changing needs of the future. Elon Musk's philosophy on happiness revolves around the pursuit of ambitious goals and the advancement of humanity. He believes that meaningful work and the relentless pursuit of innovation are key components of a fulfilling life. Musk advocates for tackling formidable challenges, such as space exploration and sustainable energy, as a means to create a better future for humanity. In his view, the intrinsic satisfaction derived from making a positive impact on the world is a fundamental source of happiness and purpose. Elon Musk envisions Neuralink as a revolutionary venture poised to seamlessly merge the human brain with artificial intelligence. Musk's vision for Neuralink extends beyond treating neurological disorders, aiming to enhance cognitive abilities and establish a direct communication link between the human mind and external devices. By developing advanced brain-machine interfaces, he aspires to unlock new dimensions of human potential, fostering a symbiotic relationship between humans and technology. Musk believes that such integration is crucial for humanity to keep pace with the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence and maintain relevance in an increasingly interconnected world. Elon Musk's self-improvement philosophy is a beacon of relentless ambition and resilience. Grounded in the belief that constant learning and adaptation are essential for success, Musk advocates for a proactive approach to personal development. He emphasizes the importance of embracing failure as a stepping stone to growth, fostering a mindset that views challenges as opportunities. Musk's philosophy underscores the significance of curiosity, innovation, and a tireless work ethic as catalysts for individual progress, embodying a commitment to pushing boundaries and achieving transformative goals in both personal and professional realms. Elon Musk's teaching methods are characterized by their innovative and hands-on approach, reflecting his belief in experiential learning. Musk emphasizes real-world application over traditional classroom settings, encouraging practical problem-solving and creativity. His teaching philosophy revolves around tackling challenges head-on and learning through trial and error. Musk advocates for a multidisciplinary approach, encouraging students to integrate knowledge from various fields. His unconventional methods aim to cultivate a deep understanding of concepts, fostering a mindset that values ingenuity and perseverance. Overall, Musk's teaching style reflects his commitment to cultivating practical skills and a proactive, problem-solving mentality in learners. Elon Musk's practical experiments have revolutionized various industries, showcasing his visionary approach to innovation. From electric vehicles with Tesla to space exploration through SpaceX, Musk consistently pushes the boundaries of what is possible. His ventures extend into renewable energy with SolarCity and neural interface development with Neuralink. Musk's commitment to tangible, real-world solutions sets him apart, emphasizing practical applications over theoretical concepts. These experiments not only reflect his audacious goals but also underscore his dedication to addressing pressing global challenges through groundbreaking technologies and forward-thinking initiatives. Elon Musk's integration of knowledge is a testament to his multidisciplinary approach. Crossing the boundaries of technology, business, and innovation, Musk seamlessly incorporates insights from various fields to propel his ventures. From co-founding Tesla and SpaceX to launching the Boring Company, Musk draws on expertise in engineering, physics, and computer science. His visionary synthesis of diverse knowledge domains fosters groundbreaking solutions, exemplifying the power of holistic thinking. Musk's ability to integrate knowledge fuels his mission to revolutionize transportation, space exploration, and sustainable energy, leaving an indelible mark on the intersection of science and industry. Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur, has left an indelible mark on hiring practices across industries. As a leader, Musk prioritizes innovation, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of goals. His companies like Tesla and SpaceX attract talent with a shared passion for cutting-edge technology. Musk's influence emphasizes a results-driven culture, fostering a dynamic workforce that thrives on challenges and strives for excellence, reshaping conventional hiring norms in the pursuit of groundbreaking achievements. Elon Musk's influence on company culture is a dynamic force characterized by innovation, risk-taking, and a relentless pursuit of ambitious goals. As a visionary leader, Musk encourages a culture of boldness and resilience, fostering an environment where employees are empowered to push boundaries. His commitment to transformative technologies and fast-paced work ethic have shaped a culture that embraces disruption, adaptability, and the pursuit of groundbreaking solutions across his various ventures. Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur, imparts invaluable advice on the future, emphasizing the urgency of sustainable energy and space exploration. Musk encourages a paradigm shift towards renewable technologies to combat climate change. His advocacy for ambitious goals, like colonizing Mars, challenges humanity to think beyond traditional boundaries. Musk's advice reflects a forward-looking perspective, urging us to embrace innovation and tackle global challenges with determination, pushing the boundaries of what is possible for a brighter future. Musk calls for more innovators in manufacturing, urging smart minds to shift focus from internet-based companies to tangible product development. We explore Musk's vision for pushing humanity forward through hands-on innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the mysteries of Elon Musk. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, whether he's an alien in eye or just a remarkable human, Elon Musk is undeniably leaving an indelible mark on our world. Until next time, stay curious.